the way that open source relates to the materials and the ingredients that we work with is the idea that if you look to nature for inspiration for how materials are composed, what ingredients are used, what methods of chemistry are employed, is that you see a very clear set of templates for the way in which you can build materials for our economy. And the key thing with open source is that the secret's already out. Organisms have been composing materials with this set of ingredients for billions of years, and in ways that we're only beginning to be able to truly understand and replicate and be inspired by. And so when you start from that place, the materials that you're then working with are open source by definition, because organisms have open sourced them billions of years ago. And so all we need to do is pay attention and learn from them.